In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bills, also known as purchase invoices, in Zoho Books. This process is essential for managing your business expenses and keeping track of accounts payable, ensuring you maintain a clear and organized financial system. To get started, first, navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the option labeled Purchases. It's important to remember that all your purchase-related activities will start from this tab, so it's a good idea to get familiar with its location. After clicking on Purchases, the next step is to select Bills from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll be able to view any existing bills or proceed to create new ones, which is what we'll be focusing on today. When you're on the Bills page, you'll want to click on the New button. This will open up a new bill entry form where you can input all the details of the purchase invoice you're recording. The New button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find and access. Now, you need to select a vendor from whom you've received the invoice. Zoho Books lets you store vendor information, making it simple to select the appropriate vendor from a drop-down list. If the vendor isn't in your system yet, you'll have to add them first to proceed. Next, you'll see a field where you must type in the bill number. Each invoice you receive will have a unique number assigned by the vendor. It's crucial to enter this accurately as it helps in referencing specific invoices later on. After entering the bill number, the following step is to choose the bill date. This date should correspond with the date on the original invoice you received from your vendor, as it often determines when certain actions like payment need to take place. Similarly, choose a due date as well. This is the date by which the invoice should be paid. Being mindful of this will help avoid late fees or strained vendor relationships. Then, type in your bill's subject. This should be a brief description that encapsulates the main idea of the purchase. You're aiming for clarity and ease of reference in the future. The next part to focus on is filling up the item table. This is where you list out the items or services included on the bill, along with their quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes. Being detailed here ensures accuracy in your financial records. Finally, once everything is filled out properly, click on Save as Open. This status indicates that the bill is pending or yet to be paid. It's a necessary step to finalize your entry into Zoho Books, thus completing the process of recording a bill. And that's it! You've successfully recorded a bill in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you ensure that your business maintains accurate and up-to-date financial records.